There's many reasons why we set out to make changes in our mind and life. Whether it's New Year's resolutions or just trying to create goals to create a better today and tomorrow. The fact of the matter is that setting goals is an essential part of achieving success and actually getting things done. Unfortunately, some of us just need some more reminders as to how valuable goal setting can be. Having said that, what if you could provide the inspiration to anybody on any platform? If you think about it, goal setting isn't exclusive to just one niche or market. You can provide inspiration to somebody for fitness, business, relationship goals, and so many other things. The main issue would be having the means for providing that insight. Lucky for you, now I'm giving you the chance to grab 100 times that insight. Introducing the 100 goal setting based social poster images package. I'm almost certain you've noticed these quote images being shared on social media, blogs, and tons of other outlets. You may have even noticed how freely people will share them, creating a massive viral effect. With this package, you'll get 100 unique social posters based around the evergreen and widespread topic of setting goals. You'll even receive the editable PSD source files so you can modify any of these images in any way. Just download them, add your URL if you want, and post them anywhere you like. People will see your social poster images and share them simply because they can relate to them. This will create a passive traffic stream for you without doing any of the hard work. Learn all of these details, see previews, and secure your copy on the page below.